it has this weird like notch, and this is after braking in the transmission. Smooth, smooth. There's a notch. So that's what we're trying to fix. That comes off, and then there's screws. Once those are out, you literally just pull this up, just so it's out of the way. And then now you need to take this off. Pull this up. And now you can go all the way around. Shift knob comes off. Just like that. Got a good weight. And then now this trim piece should just pop out if we lift it. Just like that. And once this part is out, there's these two plastic screws that you should be able to undo by hand. Now those clips are out. This thingy should be able to just come all the way out. There we go. Actually feels really cool. And now we're here. There's 3 bolts we need to loosen a little bit. And the reason for the bad shifts in first and second is because of the space here. It's like 1 millimeter. And the way that it works is when you lift up, the reverse lockout goes up on it. So we're just increasing that spacing now to 2 millimeters. So a popsicle stick is apparently 2 millimeters usually. So all we need to do is be able to fit this in there. So you're gonna make sure it's in first when you do this. I did it in reverse just before by accident. Make sure it's in first. And you basically just move it so the popsicle gets stuck. Putting it back together is easy. Literally just put that foam thingy in it, slide it all the way to the bottom, put this leather thingy back on it, slide this back underneath the lockout like that. Line it up. Works again, just like normal. And then now it's just putting this big trim piece back on, and then that are the screws, and then the small trim piece back on, and then the shift knob. Oh, and then also clipping down this as well. Japanese cars are so satisfying, bro. Everything just clips in. It's just easy. It's just easy to work on. Fuck BMW, bro. Like, for real. Listen to how satisfying this snap is. You just line it up. Fucking easy, dude. Holy! It's night and day. It's so much smoother. It feels like every other gear now. This is easy. Now this is easy too. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Dude, it's so nice now. Compared to before, where it was like, and it would feel like shit, and then slam in. It still has that notchiness, which is nice, but when you're doing it like all in one motion, it's smooth, dude. That's sick. And reverse lockout still works. So nice.